How to unpin a contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. On this page, you will be able to see a complete list of all your recent conversations. As you can see, there is a contact that has been pinned to the very top of the screen. If you wish to unpin this contact, simply press and hold on the contact's circular icon. A context menu with several different options will then appear on your screen. From the list of options provided, go ahead and tap on the Unpin option. The contact's icon will now immediately disappear from the pinned section at the top. It will then be moved down into your regular message threads. All your conversations will now be sorted based on the most recently received message. Following these steps, you can easily unpin a contact on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.